Hi, this is Lydia with Hatch Health and Happiness, and today we're going to make one of my favorite smoothies. I call it the Bloat Buster. We have some great ingredients to reduce bloat and get you feeling a lot better. Cucumber, which are really hydrating and help your body recover if their cells need a little extra recharge. We have some frozen spinach, really full of nutrition and iron, particularly vitamin K for those strong bones, and it's nice and frozen, so it'll give your smoothie a thicker consistency. We have cashews. You always, when you're making a smoothie, want to make sure that you include fat and protein to help your body stay fuller for longer and help your blood sugar levels stay nice and even. And cashews are a great fat to add to your smoothies. They get nice and creamy. Then we have some cut up pieces of ginger, which is naturally really high in anti-inflammatory compounds to help your body feel better. And some frozen banana to rehydrate. And frozen bananas are great for keeping your smoothies really creamy. It's my secret ingredient. And lastly, to bring it all together, we have some coconut water, which is nature's Gatorade, really naturally full of electrolytes. So remember, you want to start with the liquids. And then you want to go lightest to heaviest. So we're going to add our ginger, our cashews, our cucumber, our spinach, and lastly, the banana. Nice and green. I feel better already. Cheers!